How to reduce scars naturally. Scars can be worn as badges of honor for some, but for many other individuals, scars are unpleasant reminders of past injuries and can be both physically and psychologically detrimental, even if they are painless after the healing is complete. There are a number of natural remedies that can help you reduce and minimize scars. However, these remedies require patience and persistence. It can take 3 to 4 months to see a significant difference. Part 1: Treating Scars Naturally. 1. Avoid the sun. The ultraviolet rays of the sun can increase healing time and cause your scar to become darker or even discolored. If you do need to get out in the sun, make sure to cover your scars with clothing and wear a sunscreen with a sun protection factor, SPF, of 15 or higher. 2. Apply lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice has a potent bleaching compound which can help lighten and thereby minimize the appearance of scars. Indeed, lemon juice has been used as a natural skin lightener throughout history. In addition, the vitamin C in lemon juice is essential to wound healing, which can in turn help prevent scar development. Cut a lemon in half and spread all of its juice all over your scar. Leave it to soak in for at least 10 minutes or until dry. Alternatively, you could soak a cotton ball or Q-tip in the fresh lemon juice and apply it onto the scar or place slices of lemon directly onto the scarred tissue for 10 minutes. The acidic properties of the lemon will help by getting rid of the top layer of skin on your scar, the dead layer. Avoid sun exposure if using lemon juice on the skin, as the bleaching effect of the juice can become stronger. 3. Try tomato juice. Like lemon juice, tomato juice is acidic and may have a natural bleaching property that can help reduce the visibility of your scars. Tomato juice also has high levels of antioxidants, which can react with your skin's pigments and result in lightening. Cut a fresh tomato and apply the juice, which you can squeeze from it, right to your scar for about 10 minutes. Then, rinse the area and pat it dry. You can repeat this procedure once every day to see results. If you prefer, you can also apply slices of whole tomato directly to the scarred area. Rinse off the tomato juice with warm water when done. 4. Use honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer in addition to having. Honey can help treat skin wounds and regenerate skin tissue. Honey also has beneficial antibacterial and antifungal properties that can halt bacteria and fungus from exacerbating scars. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Massage the mixture into your scarred area for several minutes. Then, place a warm towel over the affected area. Let the towel cool and then use it to wipe away the mixture from your skin. 5. Massage pure aloe vera gel into the scar. This plant gel can be massaged into scars to soften the tissue. Aloe vera has been studied primarily for its effects on burn scars, but appears to improve the general characteristics of scars and reduce the appearance of at least burn scars. Aloe vera is an anti-inflammatory herb, and the reduction of inflammation, especially during the early stages of scar formation, may be important for increasing the elasticity of the new tissue. Aloe is gentle, so you won't have to worry about it causing additional damage or irritation to your skin. In addition, aloe is a natural moisturizer and will improve the softness of skin as well. Your best bet is to get an aloe plant and break off a small piece of a leaf and peel away the outer leaf to expose the gel. Squeeze the fresh gel right onto your scar. Then, massage the gel into your skin. Leave the gel on for at least 30 minutes so it can soak into your skin. Apply the gel twice daily. If purchasing aloe vera from a drugstore or pharmacy, make sure to use only 100% pure aloe vera gel and not a lotion or other formula. 6. Apply green tea to the scar. High in antioxidants, which are helpful in regenerating skin tissue, green tea can be a helpful remedy in minimizing scarring. Steep a bag of organic green tea in warm water. Use the tea bag directly on the scar 3 to 4 times a day for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the water is only warm and not hot before applying it to your skin. You don't want to burn yourself. You can also soak a cotton towel in green tea, squeeze out the excess, and place the towel over the scar. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times a day for 10-15 minutes. 7. Try essential oils. There are a number of essential oils that can help to reduce scarring. Here are some options. Lavender oil is a traditional remedy used to reduce scars naturally. Place 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil in 2 tablespoons of castor oil and massage into the scar. Repeat 3 to 4 times a day. St. John's wort promotes wound healing and has been used to reduce C-section scars. St. John's wort oil can be mixed with castor oil and massaged directly into the scar. Use 2 to 3 drops of essential oil in 2 tablespoons of castor oil and massage into the scar. Repeat 3 to 4 times daily. Part 2. Understanding scarring. 1. Know how scars develop. Scars can be caused by burns, cuts, lacerations, surgery, bites, war injuries, and skin disorders such as acne. Physiologically, scars result when the skin has been disrupted at a level deeper than about 1/3 of the entire depth of the skin. In essences, scars are the replacement for the original skin. However, since they are the result of some injury, this replacement skin is often thicker, is weaker, and has different pigmentation, all of which make it appear more visible. Scarring is natural. It's part of how the body heals itself after an injury. The size and appearance of a scar is variable and depends on the depth, size, location, and type of injury that has been sustained, as well as the individual's age, sex, ethnicity, and genetics. 2. Minimize scarring immediately. The best time to minimize scarring is during the immediate healing period. Any wound to your skin should be bandaged with special bandages or special silicone sheeting with the lowest level of tension possible. There should be a constant but even and low pressure on the wound, which helps to flatten any scarring. Cover any cuts with breathable material. This will help form a scab, which will in turn speed up healing. Massage the area gently with your fingertips once the wound has healed. Massaging works to break down the dense bands of collagen, which contribute to scarring, from forming in the skin tissue beneath the wound. Never use hydrogen peroxide on a wound, as this can cause the skin nearby to become damaged. 3. Understand the side effects of scarring. Scars can cause physical disfigurement and emotional and mental distress. Some potential physical and psychological side effects of scarring include itching, tenderness, pain, difficulty sleeping, anxiety or depression, loss of self-esteem, stress. 4. Learn to live with scars. There are various remedies that can help minimize the appearance of scars, but most of us live with some bodily scars regardless. Even though it can be psychologically difficult to live with visible scars, you can try to reframe how you think about your scars. Rather than consider them disfiguring, think of scars as a part of what makes you distinctive and unique. Scars act as evidence of your life experiences, whether good or bad, and contribute to your individualism. Even if you have scars, you're still intact and present. You have prevailed over whatever caused the scars in the first place. 5. See your doctor. If you are suffering from any mental health issues or physical problems related to your scars, consult your physician for further guidance and treatment. Get any scars that become raised, red, or extremely itchy checked out by your doctor. These are potential signs that the skin has become infected. If you feel low self-esteem or stigmatized because of your scars, consider seeking therapy and counseling to learn how to cope effectively with your situation. Warnings. Although applying vitamin E, the major fat-soluble antioxidant in the skin, to a scar has long been considered a helpful remedy for reducing scar tissues, recent research suggests that this is in fact not the case. Some studies have shown that applying vitamin E to a scar often has no cosmetic effect and, moreover, may actually worsen the appearance of the scar. The American Society for Dermatologic Surgery no longer recommends treating a scar with vitamin E.